Hey guys, something different for us today. We've got these Marvel rubber thingies where you can actually build them yourself. So I think it is set 2, so it's like a 3D eraser kind of thing that you can put together. You can get like Spider-Man without his mask, Captain Marvel, Groot, Falcon, Hawkeye, Black Panther. We did buy some before, so we have already got the little Groot one, which is pretty cool. And we got the Falcon. Now his head is so big that it doesn't actually stand up, which is quite funny. And we bought these at a local supermarket. I think they're like £1 each to buy. So I thought, you know what? If I'm going to open it, I might as well open it on video to see who we get. So it's really easy to open. You just pull off this piece of plastic, chuck that to the ground. Then you open the plastic box and you open there. So what you get inside is like a little pamphlet there. Shows you the 6 different characters and then some propaganda on the back. And in this one we've got the Spider-Man. Very cool. So after opening the plastic and the plastic, we've still got to open the plastic. So let's pull out Spider-Man's big head, and you've got his body. Drop that plastic. Let's clean this place up. There we go. Right, so there's his head. So it's just a normal rubber. Looks actually pretty cool. Really good quality as well. And then there's his body, and all you do is you push it in, and you've made a little Spider-Man rubber thing without his mask. How cool is that? Like a little Peter Parker. So I'm going to put him there, and I'm going to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.